everyone, it's Tammy, and I have another package here from Grove Collaborative, and I thought that I would just show you guys what I ordered this time. I have been really getting into my spring cleaning, and we have done a ton, and I've been proud of us, and something that makes me motivated or excited even to clean is new cleaning products. I know I'm a dork, but I can't help it. And they had some good stuff. So these are a tough scrubber with a soft touch. So it has like the walnut on one side and then just a sponge brush on the other side. And I actually think I got these in my last box, and I think that Dennis used them and I haven't seen them. But if I didn't get them in my last box, I surely got them this box for myself. But I thought that I had gotten them the last time, but I don't know because I don't remember. I know I didn't use them, and they're not in my supplies because I looked for them before I ordered these and I didn't see them. But I thought these would be good for pots and pans and such. I got myself a soap dispensing dish sponge. So you open the bottom here somehow. I'll have to look on it. And then you can push this button. It's not really a button, but push this little oval and soap will come out. Now I have had something like this before from Target or whatever, and I liked it when I had it, but this one looked like it was just a little bit nicer maybe, and I like the fact that most of their things are flat on the bottom so they stand up. And you can also change this out. You can just push this little button and get a replacement head for these, and they of course carry those as well. And I love that everything comes to your door. So there's a little hole right there that the soap dispenses out of. I'll just have to figure out how to get it out or put it in. Maybe I take this off and fill it. I don't know. No. This has to come off somehow. Oh, I think it just pulls off. Yes. Okay, so it pulls off and there's this plastic on the inside, which is good. I was kind of wondering about that too, because this is a bamboo handle, but there's plastic all on the inside. You just put your soap in there, close it back up, and it's ready for use. And it stands up. Oh, it's beautiful. Like I said, I'm a dork when it comes to some of these things. I can't help it. And then I got this bubble up dish brush because my daughter went to Costa Rica a couple of summers ago, I think before her senior year, and she got this cleaner stuff for me that is wonderful stuff for your pots and pans. It's what all of the Costa Ricans were using where she was staying, and it's like in this little orange container. I've never seen anything like it. They do sell, until now, they do sell something like it, and this is a replacement brush, but they have the brush and the cleanser together as a set. But I don't need the cleanser because I have the one that Katie got me, and I haven't used very much of it because it's kind of awkward to use. But now that I have a scrub brush, I mean, it works fabulously on your pots and pans, and it's going to work even better with this scrub brush. So I can just leave this on top of it and then scrub it and then get my pans out and use that. So as dorky as that is, I'm excited about that. I also went ahead and got another one of these sprayers. I got one free in my first box, and I really liked it, and I got a second one. Oh no, something is leaking. There's some yuck. I don't know if you can see it all over my bottle. Ugh. Well, hopefully nothing's ruined. So I got another spray bottle, and I picked a different color so that I can put my vinegar solution in this. So that's what this one's for. Throw that away because that is just nasty. I hate it when stuff like that. Let's see if I can figure out what it was. So I have this, which looks like it's still closed. This is Meyer's Clean Day in Bluebell scent, and this is hand soap. Perfect, because I need to wash my hands. And I picked different like floral scents because I don't know which one I like. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll just try different ones. Ooh, that's very pretty. I like that a lot. Bluebell. I'm almost out of dish soap in the, well, that's not true. I'm almost out of the one that's in the bathroom. Not dish soap, hand soap. So I can replace it with this one. I have others to replace it with, of course, because I'm a hoarder. Oh, I went ahead and got some replacement things. I like to do that too, and I do that with all of my stuff if I can. I like to have the replacements, that way I won't run out and I won't be needing it, and then when I use the last of the replacement, then I will purchase more. That's usually how I try to roll with things like that. And this is a glass cleaner. This might be what spilled everywhere. I don't know. It's weird. Orange and rosemary, 2-ounce concentrate. What in the world? Twist off the tap and dispense into a 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill bottle with water. Replace nozzle and shake. For glass cleaner. Well, I did not order this, so this is maybe a freebie, and I guess maybe I could use it with this, although I already kind of had it earmarked, but I still don't know what spilled. Stoneware Tray. I think this was a freebie too. Maybe they just gave me some freebies this time. I don't know how this works. So it's just a little stoneware tray, and it says Grove Collaborative on it, and you can leave it by your sink and put all of your little things on it, or whatever, your soaps, whatever you choose, you know. Kind of cute. I'll take it. And then I have a bottle of the anti-bac toilet. This, I think, is what may have spilled. But I don't know. It doesn't seem like it leaked. But I think this is what spilled because it's like on the tape. I don't know if you can tell that, but there's some mess on the tape. So maybe this is what spilled. I mean, it's still got a lot in it, so not a lot spilled. If it was even this. Maybe something else spilled onto it. I don't know. But I usually use the scrubbing bubbles kind or the Lysol. But when I saw this one, I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it because I hate cleaning the toilet, so I love good products to do it with. Yeah, this has yuck on it too. Hug. Okay, so then I got some multi-surface everyday cleaner, and I have heard some people say great things about some of the scents. Like I know that some people really like the basil scent, but this one is lavender. So let me see what this one smells like. Oh, I like it. It smells like lavender. Very subtle though and clean. So I like that. And this is just the multi-surface everyday cleaner. So that's kind of exciting. Again, I know, I'm a dork. I think, oh no, I'm lying. I also got a microfiber all-purpose cloth. And it's just, well, not just, but it's 2 cloths that you can use to clean. Now, I have heard wonderful things about these cloths, and I'm kind of excited to try them. I hate microfiber like myself. Like, I don't like to touch it. It just feels so weird on me. And I ordered some gloves, so those are in my bag still, so ugh. But that's what these are. 2 more things after these. So these are just cleaning gloves. Rid of the noise maker. And They look pretty good. They have nice high tops. They smell like rubber, but so they have, you know, a nice high little top here, and then, oh, it feels good on the inside. It's like lined with soft stuff for your hands, and I only hope that they fit my big old hands, and I'm sure I can make them fit. I just won't be able to pull them up very high on my arms, but yes, I can fit them, so that is great. So yeah, I'm excited about these. That is nice. And, oh, did I show you these? No, I don't think I did. This one is dish soap, and it is biodegradable, cuts grease, and it is in the lilac scent. Now, I am partial to Dawn. I've always been partial to Dawn. I am, you know, that's like my go-to, but I thought that I would give this a try. Ooh, I love the smell of lilacs, and that's exactly what this smells like. I love the smell of lilacs. I have a lilac bush outside my window, and I open my window and just, smells so good. Should be blooming here soon. So, yeah, I'd like to get another lilac bush. So 2 more things. This one is in lavender, and this is hand lotion. Why did I get 2 lavenders? I don't know, but it is hand lotion lavender. I should have picked a different scent. But it's all right. I mean, it's a very nice, light smelling scent. I think I got something. Well, maybe I didn't. Oh, yes, I did. I got the multi-surface cleaner in lavender. I'm going to need to get more lilac because I really like that one. But this one is just bathroom cleaner, and this is in spearmint. And this is one of those that I've heard people say that they really liked. They like the peppermint and the spearmint, just the mint scented things. So I thought, you know what, let me try it. And I kind of think that it would make the bathroom smell clean, at least with the mint smell. That's always refreshing. Yeah, it smells very clean and very nice. And this is just the bathroom cleaner, and I think it's called Anti-Bac. Sinks, fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, and toilet seats. So pretty much everything. Multi-purpose cleaner. And that, my friends, I think I showed you everything. So there we go. Another purchase from Grove Collaborative, and I think I'm gonna like it, but we'll see. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.